Hello, welcome to week 9 of classroom assessment. I'm sorry that under the circumstances we're not able to be together, but I hope that we will have an opportunity to be meeting some throughout this time. And I encourage you, as I said on Thursday of 2 weeks ago, to reach out to me anytime you have a problem. I will be setting some virtual office hours that I'll be emailing out each week. So you can always click on those if you need a chance to pop in and ask questions. You can also always post questions on the class discussion board, which you can find here by going to Communication and Discussions and locate the discussion board there. Here on class questions. So any kind of question that you have about assignments or due dates or anything like that will be posted there. So hopefully you saw this link to the video posted in the news feed. Each week I'll be posting the assignments there. Since we don't know yet if this will last just a few weeks or through the semester, I'm not going to be updating the entire syllabus yet, but I'll be posting weekly assignments in the news feed. So you can always access it there in addition to an email that I'll be sending. But feel free to set up a time to talk with me one-on-one or come to the office hours that I set aside. And also, I just encourage you to set aside some time for classes. Don't fall behind. I know that we all have a lot on our minds, but it's important that you set aside a few hours a week for this class. To stay up with the reading and the video lectures and the assignments that are going to be due so that you stay on track. If we do come back together, we'll be able to jump right back to it. If we don't come back together, you'll be able to finish successfully. So I'm here to help in any way I can. Just be sure that you stay on track. So this week is week 9, and we're pretty much sticking to what we were going to be doing anyway in the syllabus, which is to talk about chapter 5. So we discussed validity and reliability last week, 2 weeks ago before spring break, and took a quiz over that. And you heard Dr. Curry-Thar Emanuel come and talk with you a little bit more about it. So this week, if you'll go into the week 9 folder, the only thing I updated in there were these 2 lectures. So I won't be lecturing to you face to face, but you have these PowerPoint lectures that correspond to the notes that I have had there for you. So please be sure that you watch the 2 videos. These are the notes that correspond. You can take notes while you're watching the videos, and then be sure that you also read through the chapter as well. So we will be meeting this Thursday. I hope that you'll be able to join us. This is during our regular class time. At that time, we will be taking a quiz, an attendance quiz, so I encourage you to participate. If you can't be there, just like all the other quizzes, it's only 1%, but it'll be a short technology type of quiz. And then also what I had in the syllabus was to go ahead and talk to you about your final research paper that's going to be due in a couple of weeks. So I will be going through that as well. We'll have some time to meet one-on-one in a couple of weeks if we're still going about it this way. But I did want to go ahead and just kind of talk about that so that when you have an opportunity or have free time, you can kind of start looking through that. We'll also go over any content in chapter 5. There's some important concepts that you'll need to know. So anyway, hope that you'll be able to join us on Thursday at 12:30. And just let me know if you have any questions or concerns about the content as you're going through it. And hope that you stay healthy and safe this week.